Today our recipe is everybody's favorite tea time snack, especially in winters and monsoon seasons. Yes, we are back with a super snack that is potato bajji in a different procedure. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Please subscribe the channel to receive the notifications of all such variety recipes from this channel. Hit the bell icon. So with not any further delay, let's get into the recipe. As I said, we have a different step in the process. Initially, into the mixie jar, add 3 garlic, 7 green chilies and half pinch of salt and blend into a rough paste. This is how the paste looks like after blending. Keep the paste aside. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized potatoes and cut them into round slices. The slices should neither be thick nor thin. They should be of the medium size. So for the batter, I have taken 200 grams of gram flour. To this we are adding 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1.5 tablespoon of salt. We have already added the salt in the chili paste, so watch the salt you are adding. Now add the blended chili paste. Add water and make the thick running consistency batter. Add half a pinch of baking soda. Now add the baking soda just before frying the bajjis. If not, bajjis will absorb more oil. Heat the pan and add 250 ml of oil. Dip the potato pieces into the batter and see to that the batter is overall coated onto the potato pieces. Then drop them into the oil. Fry until they turn golden brown. Start flipping the bajjis and cook them on the other side as well. The first batch of bajjis are done and they're ready for plating. Here we are frying the last batch of bajjis. Here is a tip for you guys. At the end of the process, we will be left with a little batter in a big bowl. Then it would be difficult to dip the bajjis. At that time, transfer the mixture into a small curry bowl and then start dipping the potatoes. Then it will make your job easy. The bajjis are done and they're ready for plating. Try this perfect tea time snack bajjis and enjoy guys. If you like the recipe, please subscribe the channel, like, share and comment, and most importantly hit the bell icon to get the notifications from this channel. Thanks for watching. Namaste.